Alright, so I promised you I'd put the keypad in the car from my previous video a long time ago. Well, I finally got around to it and got the electrical done. The keypad now disables the ignition, or enables it, as you will. And then enables it once the keypad is correctly punched in. However, when the keypad is not activated, I can't start my car. In fact, nothing happens. The reason is we snipped the ignition wire, and the ignition wire relays through here. So when this keypad is unactivated, it allows current through the ignition wire. If you want to learn more about the keypad, go to my video. Or not. There's a problem here. What happens if an emergency happens? What happens if you give your car to valet? Well, simple. We can just quickly reprogram the keypad and give them a temporary code. What code should we give them? 3578. Kind of a diagonal. 3578. So, we go into programming mode, type in the master password. Whoops. And now we're in programming mode. So we can set the relay to be open for 10 seconds. We want user code 3. We want password 3578. 3578 to confirm. And voila. 3578. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. So 3578 is a temporary code I can give to valet or whoever else drives my car. However, I will program in a 911 code just in case anything happens. So 99 star. Back into programming mode. And then we want to do 50 seconds, and we want to do code 4, and we want to do 911 as the code. So now 911 will stay on for 50 seconds. Right, so I'm not going to show you the whole the whole 50 seconds, but that's how you program it, that's how you use it. And oh, helps if we have the ignition, the key. And that's how you start my car. Hope you enjoyed. I know it's a sloppy video, sorry, but deal with it.